Amritt not only came in and helped us identify key process improvements in order to improve the relationship, they even traveled with me, much to my surprise, to India for an on-site visit and evaluation. As a result of that visit, we improved the relationship and began getting the results that we needed from that outsourcing relationship. Another benefit of having the senior consultant with us when we were visiting the partner in Bangalore was that he talked about how yes doesn't always mean yes in India. And I was very surprised by this, but it really had a tremendous benefit because we would find that depending on how enthusiastically our partner said yes really indicated whether they thought they could accomplish something or not. This really benefited the relationship by understanding the subtleties of the interactions.
So I've been working with Amritt nearly 10 years now. Met Gunjan's founder at a trade show and understood their capacity for representing overseas resources. Amritt helped us coordinate a trip overseas where we were able to meet vendors face to face, build strong relationships. We've done a number of projects with Amritt. Working with Amritt, I know that I can take on a project of any size, of any scope, and whatever I can't handle here, I know that I can turn to Amritt and have the balance of my labor covered at a reasonable price and at immaculate quality.